Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. You ever look at someone and think, I think they might be into me? It's like a sixth sense, right? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of unspoken attraction. We're talking about those subtle signs a woman might be sending your way if she's, interested in taking things to the next level. We're going to break down 6 telltale signs that she might be hoping for a little more than just friendship. And trust me, these aren't your typical dating tips. We're talking real deal, body language, and subconscious cues that scream, "Hey you, come a little closer." Knowing these signs can save you a whole lot of awkwardness, and maybe even lead you to, dare I say, a whole lot of fun. So buckle up, grab your dating pads, and get ready to become a master of reading between the lines. Let's do this! Sign 1, it's all in the eyes. Alright, let's start with the eyes. They are often the first thing we notice about someone, and they can tell us so much without a single word being spoken. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and let me tell you, they're also a peek into someone's desires. The way someone looks at you can reveal their true intentions and feelings. Now, we're not talking about a quick glance across the room. Those fleeting looks are just casual observations, nothing more. We're talking about lingering eye contact, the kind that makes you wonder if you have something stuck in your teeth. It's the kind of look that holds your attention and makes you feel seen. You know what I'm talking about, right? That look that goes a little deeper, lasts a little longer, and sends a little shiver down your spine. It's almost like a magnetic pull that draws you in. It's like she's trying to tell you something without actually saying a word. Her eyes are speaking a language all their own, conveying emotions and thoughts that words can't capture. And trust me, she is. Prolonged eye contact is a classic sign of attraction. It's a way of saying, "I'm interested in you," without uttering a single syllable. It releases all those feel-good hormones in the brain, creating a connection that goes beyond just casual conversation. This kind of eye contact can make you feel closer to someone, even if you've just met. It's like a silent invitation to come closer, to learn more, to explore the possibilities. Those eyes are inviting you into their world, asking you to take a step closer. So, next time you're chatting with someone special, pay attention to their eyes. Notice how they look at you, how long they hold your gaze, and what emotions they convey. If they're holding your gaze, it might be a sign that they're interested in more than just your words. Their eyes might be telling you a story of their own, one that you should definitely pay attention to. And who knows, maybe it's the start of something beautiful, or at least a really fun night. So keep your eyes open and let them guide you to new connections and experiences. Sign 2, can't keep her hands to herself. Okay, let's talk about touch. No, not that kind of touch. Get your mind out of the gutter. I'm talking about those little, seemingly innocent touches that speak volumes. Think about it. You're laughing at a joke, and she playfully touches your arm, or maybe you're walking side by side, and your hands brush against each other. These little moments of physical contact, as subtle as they may seem, can be a major indicator of attraction. It's like she's testing the waters, seeing how you respond to her touch. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little playful touch now and then? It creates a sense of closeness, of intimacy, that goes beyond just words. Now, I'm not saying that every time someone accidentally bumps into you, they're secretly in love with you. But if you notice a pattern of these little touches, if she seems to find excuses to be near you, well, my friend, that's a sign you shouldn't ignore. Sign 3, flattery will get you everywhere. You know what they say? Flattery will get you everywhere. And let me tell you, it's especially true when it comes to attraction. When a woman is interested in you, she'll go out of her way to make you feel good about yourself. She might compliment your sense of humor, telling you how funny you are, even if your jokes are terrible, let's be honest. Or maybe she'll admire your intelligence, hanging on to your every word like it's the gospel. Now, I'm not saying you should be suspicious of every compliment that comes your way. But if you notice that she's constantly showering you with praise, even for the smallest things, it's a good sign that she's trying to get your attention. And who can blame her? Everyone loves to feel appreciated, especially by someone they're interested in. So if you're on the receiving end of some extra flattery, soak it up. It might just be her way of saying, "Hey, I like you." Sign 4. Sharing is caring. All right, let's talk about personal space, or rather, the lack thereof. Personal space is something we all cherish, but when it comes to romantic interest, those boundaries start to blur. When a woman is interested in you romantically, she won't be afraid to let you into her personal bubble. She'll lean in closer, reducing the physical distance between you two. In fact, she'll practically invite you in. Her body language will be open and welcoming, signaling that she feels comfortable around you. She'll start to share more personal stories with you, things she might not tell just anyone. These stories are often filled with details about her life, her past, and her experiences. She'll open up about her hopes, her dreams, her fears, her deepest desires. This level of openness is a clear indication that she trusts you and wants you to know her on a deeper level. It's like she's giving you a glimpse into her soul, hoping that you'll do the same. This mutual exchange of personal stories helps build a strong emotional connection. And it's not just about sharing her own stories. She'll also be genuinely interested in yours. She'll want to know what makes you tick. She'll ask you questions about your life, your passions, your experiences. Her curiosity is a sign that she values your thoughts and feelings. She'll ask you questions about your life, your passions, your experiences. She'll want to understand what drives you and what you care about. She'll really listen to what you have to say, and she'll remember the details. This shows that she values your conversations and is invested in getting to know you better. This kind of deep, personal connection is a major sign of attraction. It's about more than just physical chemistry. It's about emotional intimacy. It's about building intimacy, trust, and a sense of shared understanding. These are the foundations of a strong and lasting relationship. So if you find yourself having these kinds of conversations with someone, pay attention. These moments are precious and can be the start of something beautiful. It might be a sign that something special is brewing. Keep an eye out for these signs and you might just find yourself in the midst of a blossoming romance. Sign 5. Even the bad ones. Okay, you know you've found someone special when they laugh at your jokes, even the ones that make you cringe a little. You know, the ones where you're like, was that funny? I don't even know anymore. But when a woman is attracted to you, she'll find you absolutely hilarious, even if your jokes are about as funny as a root canal. She'll laugh at your puns, your silly stories, your awkward attempts at humor, and she'll do it with a twinkle in her eye that tells you she's not just being polite. Why? Because laughter is a powerful aphrodisiac. It creates a sense of joy, connection, and shared amusement. And when she's laughing at your jokes, she's essentially saying, I get you. I find you charming and entertaining. So if you're lucky enough to have someone in your life who laughs at all your jokes, even the bad ones, hold on tight. It's a sign that they're truly smitten with you. Sign 6, one-on-one time is key. All right, this last sign is a biggie. When a woman is interested in taking things to the next level, she'll make an effort to spend quality time with you. And I'm not talking about group hangouts or casual coffee dates. I'm talking about one-on-one time where it's just the two of you. This is the kind of time that allows for deeper conversations and a stronger connection. She might suggest grabbing dinner after work, which shows she's willing to spend her free time with you. Or she might propose going for a walk in the park, enjoying each other's company in a relaxed setting. Or even just hanging out at your place to watch a movie, which can be a cozy and intimate way to spend time together. The important thing is that she's making an effort to carve out time in her busy schedule just for you. This is a significant indicator of her interest. And when you are together, she'll be fully present, putting away her phone, ignoring distractions, and focusing solely on you. She'll be engaged in the conversation, leaning in, listening attentively, and giving you her undivided attention. She'll be engaged in the conversation, asking questions, and showing genuine curiosity about your thoughts and feelings. She'll smile and nod while listening, indicating that she's truly interested in what you have to say. This kind of focused attention is a clear sign that she's not just looking for a friend, but is interested in something more meaningful. She's looking for something more. She wants to explore the potential of a deeper romantic relationship. She's interested in exploring the possibilities of a romantic relationship, and she's hopeful about where things could go, and she's not afraid to make the first move, showing her confidence and interest in you. So, if you're noticing these 6 signs, congratulations. You've officially caught her attention. Now it's up to you to decide what you're going to do about it. Will you take the next step and see where this connection can lead? The ball is in your court, and the possibilities are endless. Take a chance and see where this journey takes you. So there you have it, folks. 6 telltale signs that a woman might be interested in taking things beyond the friend zone. Remember, communication is key in any relationship, so while these signs can be helpful indicators, don't be afraid to have an open and honest conversation about your feelings. If you enjoyed this video and want more dating tips and relationship advice, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, everyone. And remember, you're all amazing and deserving of love. Now go out there and get 'em.